Hey, and namaste. I'm Zay with Xude Yoga, and today we're gonna be doing a quick, energizing morning yoga flow right here in the comfort of the bed, but you can do this on practically any surface. And I wanted to do this because it's a little different, and we are celebrating 1 year right here on YouTube. I'm so thankful, I'm so grateful for y'all's love and support. And we also have like a part 1 of this video. I'm gonna leave it right here. Let us know down in the comments what you like about this flow, and also feel free to leave a tip or a donation after this practice. Let's get into it. Let's start this flow by coming into an easy seat. So you can come into a cross-leg position, or you can sit on the back of the heels. And let's begin to rotate out the wrists. So you can place them on the side of the body or bring them out in front of you, just rotating in either direction. Extending the fingers outward, stretching out the fingers as well. And rotating in the other direction. All right, from here, we're gonna place the right hand on the outside of the left knee, bringing the left arm over the body, coming into a side bend. You can focus the gaze on the left elbow or the left palm. Exhale, release. Doing the same thing on the other side. Left hand comes to the outside of the right leg. Right arm comes above the shoulder and bend, focusing the gaze on the palm. And exhale down, doing this a couple more times at your own pace. Inhale, reach. Exhale, lower. Placing the hands on the knees, rotating the top of the head and the shoulders, opening up the spine, allowing the vital energy to move throughout the body. Rotating in the other direction. Tucking the chin into the chest, curling the spine forward. Inhale, rolling the body back up. Sending the arms above the shoulders and breathing into the center of the stomach. Inhale, extend upward. Exhale, lowering the top of the hands towards the side of you. Inhale, bringing the hands above the shoulders. Exhale, lower. Following your breath, doing this for a few moments. Inhale, bringing the hands above the shoulders, interlacing the fingers, creating circles with the pointer fingers and the shoulders, the top of the head, stretching out the spine once more. Rotating in the other direction. Exhale, folding over the knees. So you can rest, you can sway in a serpent-like motion. I like to just rest on the top of the hands. Staying here as long as you need to. You can gently roll the body up. Then we're gonna come into a tabletop. Taking a minute or so to just move however your body is needing to. You can do some cat-cows. You can bring the shoulder to the hip. You can even reach each hand above the shoulder, stretching out the side of the spine. Just taking a few minutes. When we're ready, we're gonna come from a child's pose and go into a cobra, moving between these two asanas. Inhale, rolling up and coming into a cobra. Pressing the hips into the surface and the crown upward. Exhale, child's pose. Doing this a few times at your own pace. You can even bring the toes towards the top of the head, drawing the crown back. And exhale, you're going to release, coming back into a child's pose. You can even bring the knees about hip width apart and begin to send the chest towards the surface. Opening up the shoulders. If the feet are hanging off the bed, you can even rotate the ankles. I love doing this in the morning to wake me up. And inhale, coming back at your own pace. You can take the next 5 to 10 minutes to flow however you would like, however you need to. I'm gonna suggest another video. When you're ready, coming back into an easy seat. You can place the thumb and the index finger together, placing the top of the hands on the knees, or you can place the hands to the heart center, taking deep breaths in the nose. Exhale out of the mouth. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, the stomach expands. Exhale, the stomach moves towards the spine. Thank you for allowing me to guide you through this flow, through this practice, and creating this energy with me. And thank you for allowing me to share my energy and shine my light. Until next time, namaste.